This creamy garlic Parmesan chicken is rich, juicy, and packed with incredible flavor. Stay with me until the end and I'll show you exactly how to make this.
The sauce is silky, buttery, and loaded with real garlic and freshly grated Parmesan. It's the kind of meal everyone asks for again.
Let's start by gathering everything you'll need before turning on the stove. Having your ingredients ready makes cooking much easier. You'll need 2 large boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Choose fresh chicken for the best texture and the juiciest results. For the sauce, you'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of heavy cream, cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and fresh parsley. Freshly grated Parmesan melts much better than pre-shredded cheese, giving your sauce a smooth and creamy finish. Season both sides of the chicken evenly with salt, black pepper, paprika, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. Every layer of seasoning builds more flavor. Let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes. This gives the seasoning time to settle and helps create a flavorful crust while cooking. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Add the butter. Let it melt completely. Once it starts to bubble gently, it's ready for the chicken. Carefully place the seasoned chicken into the hot butter. Leave it untouched so it can develop a beautiful golden crust. Cook the first side for about 5 to 6 minutes over medium heat. Avoid moving the chicken while it sears. Flip the chicken. Cook the second side for another 5 to 6 minutes, until both sides are evenly golden. Transfer the chicken to a plate, but don't clean the skillet. Those buttery drippings are full of flavor and become the base of our sauce. Add the minced garlic to the same skillet and cook for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Keep stirring the garlic gently, and don't let it brown too much, or it can turn bitter. Pour in the chicken broth and let it simmer for about 2 minutes, allowing it to pick up all those delicious flavors from the pan. Now slowly add the heavy cream and stir until everything blends into a smooth, silky sauce. Reduce the heat to low and let the sauce simmer gently. A slow simmer keeps the cream smooth and prevents it from separating. After 2 to 3 minutes, the sauce will naturally become thicker and rich enough to coat a spoon. Spoon the warm sauce over the chicken so every bite stays juicy and full of flavor. Cover the skillet and let everything simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes. Every bite is packed with buttery garlic flavor and smooth melted Parmesan in every spoonful of sauce.
The chicken should be perfectly cooked, incredibly juicy, and coated in a rich, velvety garlic Parmesan sauce.
Serve it with creamy mashed potatoes, pasta, rice, or roasted vegetables for a complete and satisfying meal.
Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. If you enjoy a little heat, add a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes before serving. Don't let a single drop of this creamy sauce go to waste. It's just as delicious over potatoes, rice, or pasta. If you love creamy chicken recipes, this one deserves a place in your weekly dinner rotation. Fresh ingredients are the secret to creating bold, homemade flavor in every bite. I hope this recipe inspires your next homemade dinner and becomes one of your family favorites. Thank you for cooking along with me today. I'd love to hear how this recipe turned out for you.
If you enjoyed this creamy garlic Parmesan chicken, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Recipe Magic for more easy, delicious recipes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.